Thank you for Chooks to Go. Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo students.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. Karon pa mo nabot sa eskwelahan no?
Yes.
So na snacks diri nga giandam para ninyo kay wala man mo ganiha kay morning session mo. Morning class man mo. Sige pagkuha na mo diha. And kinsa may naghatag ng snacks?
Kim Yong-suni.
What did you say? Kim Yong-suni. Annyeonghaseyo.
Kamsahamnida.
Okay, sige na. Pagkuha na mo. Na. Tempura din. Sana fries. So palihog lang kog hatag ana ning kinsay wala diri? Oh, si Jomong ug si Daryl palihog lang kog hatag ha since nga kuan man mo, silingan raman mo. Ha? Sige, enjoy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Andrea.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, how was your school?
Okay.
So, your schedule is from
From 7 to 5.
7 a.m. to 5 p.m. So, that is from Monday to Saturday?
Alternative. Kanang Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday.
Okay. So, you don't have class on Monday and Wednesday?
Wednesday and Friday.
Okay. So, that's why you have Saturday. Okay, so, today, since you are not here with us lately in our monthly donation, so I will be giving you the donations that the sponsors give you. Okay? So, 4,000 pesos from handle name, which is your monthly donation. That is 4,000 pesos.
Handle name, Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
So, paligog count lang ga, 4,000 na. Okay, and then, your cell set, naa sa imuhang mama, na nasa imuhatin, no?
Handle name, Kamsahamnida.
At your house already, the cans, the rice, and also the milk. Okay? And, 1,000 pesos from Calibruni.
Calibruni, Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
And also, 500 pesos from Isang Waning.
Isang Waning, Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
And lastly, 500 pesos from Ora Chachani.
Ora Chachani, Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, so, study well, okay? Fighting?
Annyeonghaseyo, Kinshin and Syra. So, Kinshin. Humana mo, kuan lang. Humana mo sa inyo ang mga assignment. Asa ko na yung mga assignment ka na, bi. Okay. So, Kinshin and Syra already finished their assignment in multiplication. So, ready na mo i-retest o balik?
Yes.
Ready na?
Fighting.
Okay. Ready na good?
Fighting.
Okay. So, first is si... Kisay una magpa-test. Kisay una magpa-test. Okay, Syra. Ni-volunteer si Syra. Okay, Say. 4 times 9.
36.
8 times 3.
24.
7 times 9.
63.
5 times 3.
15.
7 times 8.
56.
8 times 8.
64.
5 times 9.
45.
7 times 6.
42.
6 times 8.
48.
8 times 2.
16.
4 times 4.
16.
So, si Kinshin na kuwan. Ready na, Kinshin? 2 times 6.
12.
8 times 5.
40.
6 times 8.
48.
9 times 6.
54.
6 times 8.
48.
3 times 9.
27.
7 times 3.
21.
8 times 4.
32.
5 times 4.
20.
6 times 4.
24.
4 times 3.
12.
2 times 2.
4.
8 times 2.
16.
Very good.
So,
Okay, humanatag test. So, you already passed. So, unsa inyo ang gibati karon?
Happy.
You're sure?
Yes.
Happy? Okay, so, ayun na ninyo kalimti ang multiplication. So, next time, ayun na ninyo kalimti ang multiplication, ha? Okay, so, fighting!
fighting!
Kamsahamnida!
Samida!
Bye-bye!
Bye!
Happy birthday, Kuya Daniel. How old are you?
12 years old.
Make a wish. Close your eyes. Yay! Happy birthday! So, we have a simple celebration tonight prepared by Kuya Daniel's mother. So, mag-thank you ta ni Kuya Daniel and Kuya Daniel's mother. Okay? Oh, sige, na late sila. Okay, so thank you for this. Oh, nice salad, na ay sandwich with pansit and juice for you. Excited na mo mga on? Okay, sige, please ko distribute mga ate. Ano man ka ate Yami? Hanggang ni ate Yami.
Misty, party.
Annyeonghaseyo. Kasi magpaan ate. Are you happy? What is your wish, Kuya?
Mama ng eskwela, sir.
Wow. Sure, uy. Promise?
Sir.
Very good. Ana, good. What is your dream?
Engineer.
Hala. Magtukod ay kag house. Ni Kuya Daniel mo patukod og balay, ha? Kaya mag-engineer si Kuya Daniel. Fighting! Bahalag lisod, laban.
Laban lang, halaksa.
Dako kay ka gasto uno ni ka college ni Daniel kay mag-engineer siya.
Kamu kita taman-taman.
Maning kamot da maning tiin.
Wala pa.
Start.
Aking bayang Sinilangan. Sa bawat sila'y isang araw na sumisikat, sa bawat patak ng ulan na pumapatak, ang bayang ito'y aking sinilangan. Pilipinas kong mahal, sa puso'y nakatatak. Mga bundok at dagat na kay ganda, mga ibon at hayop na malaya, sa bawat likod, kanto ng bansa, kasaysayan at kultura'y saganang sagana. Wikang Pilipino, yaman ang ating lahi, taglay ang dangal at angking pagkakalanlan. Sa bawat salitang binigkas at binitawan, puso't isip, nagkakaisa, nagdadamayan. Sa harap ng mga hamon at pagsubok, matagan, matapang at laging handa. Sa pagkakaisa at pagkakaunawaan, Pilipinas, aking bayan, magtatagumpay ka! Ang aking bayang Sinilangan.
Move over, loser. This is my seat now.
Hey, what was that for?
Because I feel like it. What you gonna do about it? Leave me alone, Queenie. Whatever.
Did you see that? Bea is such a whip. No wonder Buddy likes them.
Yeah, what's a guy, baby?
That's not girl, Elaine. Why do you have to be so mean? Whatever, just didn't mind your own business. Hey, can I see you guys?
Sir, in the gym, but there's no room for you here.
Let's go somewhere else. I don't want nothing happening around us. Okay.
Queenie, did you really post this about Bea? Yes, and look at all the like it's getting. People love it. This is wrong, Queenie. You need to take it down.
Why should I? It's just a joke.
It's not a joke. If it hurts someone, I'm reporting this. We need to stand up against this bullying. It's not right.
Yeah, it's really hurtful.
I've reported the cyberbullying about this. And we need to support each other. No one should have to deal with this alone. We're all in this together.
Just kindness alone.
Respect everyone's difference. Stand up, speak up. Together, we stop bullying.
Not that
Be a friend, not a bully.